Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And a few days or a couple of weeks ago I cooked some wings, and about 10 minutes, I mean not wings but wing parts, you know, the flats and the drumettes. And so about 10 minutes after I put it online, or put it up on YouTube, my brother called and said, "Why'd you cut those wings up for?" You know, he said, "You just gotta leave them wings whole." He said, "I like whole wings." So I got this pack of whole wings here, and I'm going to see how they compare to fixing them in the Ninja FOODi here, compared to the way they were with the chicken parts. And so, yeah, that's a whole lot different there. Let me back the camera up now. I got it too close. Yeah, see, that's a whole lot of difference than just cooking the flat and the drumette there. So I'm going to go throw them in this bowl here so I can wash them off and get them ready to go. Because anytime I'm cooking poultry like this, I want to make sure I wash it off good before I get carried away with it too much. How many did I have in there? 7, I believe. So, now, let me get these over here to the sink and wash them off, and we'll be right back. Okay, now I've got them washed off good. I'm just going to dry them a little bit. Put them down this other bowl here. I don't want too much water on them, you know. So these look pretty nice. And I think this all will go in that FOODi Deluxe basket without any trouble. Yeah, we got exactly 7 of them. That's just right. So this way and get me another one to finish up. Okay, now I've got my little Evo sprayer here, and I've got olive oil in it. I'm just going to spritz enough on there. The only main reason I'm doing this is just to hold the spices on. I'm going to take some of this chicken and poultry rub here by LAWRY'S, and we'll sprinkle some on here. Now you just sort of have to pay attention to how I'm putting it on here, because I don't know how much that would be. You know, just to sprinkle it on like that, it'll look like it's pretty much covered. Then I'm going to take some Mrs. Dash here and do the same thing with it, because this is a great combination right here. And as usual, I'm just going to take and shake them up like this. Now a lot of people like to stick their hands down in there and turn them and all that stuff, but especially with poultry, I don't like touching it no more than I have to, you know. So we'll do just a little bit more, put a little bit more stuff on there. Yeah, that's pretty much, should have pretty much covered there. If you've never tried this combination before, you ought to try it one time. You might like it. Well, that looks like they got some on it. So now, the next thing we're going to do. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is we'll come over here and we're going to dump all 7 of these wings right down in this crisper basket. I want to move a couple of them around just a little bit. I hate touching that meat. Okay, I ain't gonna move them much because I don't want to touch them. So, anyhow, now we're going to shut the door, turn on the power, and we're going over here to air crisp, just like it says there. And it's got 20 minutes on it at 390. We're going to leave the 390 alone, but we want to raise the time on it just a little bit. So we hit the time button. Let's go flash, and then we're going to run it up to 22. Let's do 23 because they're all together. Usually for the parts I do 22, but I'm going to try 23. We might have to cook it a little bit longer, or it might have to be cooked a little less. So anyway, hit the start button, and there it goes. Now, I'm not going to let this just stay there and run this whole time. I'm going to check them, of course, and I might even turn them over, you know, just depending on how they look in a couple of minutes. We might flip them. So anyway, while you got a chance, if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure appreciate it. And thank you to all you people that watches our videos. It sure means a lot to us and helps us out. And if you get a chance, look down at our links below. Maybe you might see something down there from Amazon you like. So we'll be back in about 22 minutes and 20 seconds from now. Okay, now we're coming up on 10 minutes, and I've been looking over on occasion here, and it looks like we need to, or I don't know if we need to or not, but I'm going to go ahead and turn these over on the 10-minute mark here, and just get them to where they crisp up a little bit better. So 10 minutes. I'll let you see down in there, because that's looking pretty good. If you didn't know better, you'd think that's done, but I know it's not. So let me turn them over, or switch them around a little bit. I don't know how much I turn it over I'm going to do to them, but just see if I can get some of the bottom of it up here on top. The thing I love about this basket and this cooker here is it seems like the way it's made that it browns about as good from the bottom as it does the top. The way the air circulates through it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and turn it back on now and let it go for another 10 minutes. Ought to be about right. Okay, now as you can see, they still got 4 minutes to cook on them, but every one of them that I checked the temperature on is over 160. I'll let you look down in here. There's some good looking wings. So, I think I'm fixing to take these bad boys out of there and get ready to do something else to them. Okay, now that makes the total cooking time. Now I can't cut into this one and make sure it's good and done. But that makes the total cooking time now for 19 minutes on these. Now, your wings could be a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller, you know, so sort of keep an eye on them as you're cooking them. Okay, there's 4 of those. That leaves me 3 down that pot. Now she likes this Carolina barbecue sauce on hers that we get from Smithville Barbecue when we go up there. So I'll put a little bit of this on there. Like that. That's going to be good if you like Smithville barbecue sauce. I'm going to put this top on like this. Shake them all up. Alright, then we're going to bring one over here. Alright, now we're going to put them on this plate. Now see, that's why my brother likes his is a whole wing like that, so I'm sorry he couldn't be here, but hey, by the time he sees this video, we're going to have these all eat up. So, and now, for me, I'm just going to take these other 3 over here and put on this plate. Just like this. Now we're getting close to the end. Okay, now this is the way we like them. Now she's got the barbecue sauce on hers, and we both got the celery, and I got ranch dressing here, and we're fixing to chow down on this. And little brother, I'm sorry you're not here to enjoy these because they sure are good. So until next time. Oh, wait a minute, let's see if we can tear into one. I think it cooled off enough, but they're not cooled off enough yet. Thought they were cooled off enough so I could tear one in two and show you. There's no red juice down in there or nothing. See? I'll clean that. Let me get Buzz down here so you can see it. Right there. See how good and done that is all the way through. Like I said now, that's 19 minutes at 390 degrees. And like I said, if your wings are a lot fatter than this now, it might take a little bit longer. Or if they're smaller than this, it might take a little less time. So you just have to get you a halfway decent thermometer, you know, and keep an eye on them as they're going. Because this thing, it surprised me how fast it got up to 165 today. So, because I thought it would take them longer to cook than it did. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And I hope you like this video as much as I'm going to enjoy these wings. If you do, you're going to enjoy it a whole lot. So until next time, don't forget to wash your hands, stay away from everybody, and come back and see us real soon. And thanks again for watching our videos. Goodbye now.